right here and now. Put your arms around me right now. And we ain't gotta worry about nobody else right now. Cause let's have some fun tonight. Yeah. If you didn't love me, I'll still love you.
Hey love, so I'm here today to show you how you can cut some really nice fringe full bangs on your lace wig. So the wig that I got is from Supernova, and I have their straight lace front wig and the length 22 inch. The color is a 1B off black color. The inside of the wig, it does come with about 4 combs and adjustable straps in the back, and the hairline is slightly pre-plucked, and then also the density is about 150%. So the first thing that I did is went ahead and sectioned off the area where I wanted my bangs to be. Usually I do not let my bangs go past the ends of my eyebrows. I usually go maybe like 1.5 inch before my eyebrows ends. So now that I've sectioned off the area, what I'm going to do is go ahead and take the middle section of the bangs, and I'm going to start point cutting. Point cutting is you're turning your scissors upwards and start cutting your hair. You never want to cut straight across when it comes to your bangs, because you will get that blunt look. And with the fringe bang, you do not want a blunt look. You want a nice tapered, feathered type of bang. So like I said, I'm going in and taking the middle part and I'm cutting where I want my bangs to end. Usually I might go maybe like 1/2 inch below where my bangs is supposed to be, and I start point cutting upwards. And once I do that, that's basically where my guideline is going to be once I finish cutting the middle part of the bangs. Then I go in either on the left or the right side, and I start point cutting the rest of the hair and making sure that the left and right side is the same length as the middle side. Oh, and I also went ahead and spritzed the area where the bangs were going to be at with some water to make sure that all the hairs are smooth and they're laying all down in one direction. Now, once I went ahead and cut off where I wanted my bangs to be, the next step that I did was I did go in and go in with my rat tail comb and combed out the bangs just to see exactly if I see any straggly ends that I forgot to cut off. Now that I've cut my bangs to the length that I want it to be, I'm going to go back in and point cut some more, because I want to make sure that the bangs are not all, well, the ends of the bangs are not all like a straight, like uniformed look. In order to get like that flowy type of look, you want to make sure that the ends of the hair is, some sections are shorter or longer than the next. I hope that makes sense, you guys. But yeah, I did go in and point cut some more just to make sure that I get like that flowy type of bang look. The next step that I'm going to do is go in with my blow dryer, and this is my Conair straightening blow dryer. I just want to make sure that my bangs are dry before I go in with my flat iron. So I'm just pretty much blow drying the hair to get it dry. And then the last step that I'm going to do is take section by section of my bang, and I will be using my flat iron. The flat iron that I'm using is by One and Only, and I got it from Sally's.
And if you didn't want me, girl, I'd still want you. Whenever the sky is gray, you make it blue. There's something about the way you do what you do. Now girl, it's something, I don't know what you do. But girl, it's something and I don't know what you do. No, I don't know, no. Girl, I feel love when I take a look at the sky, and I have never been in love this way. Oh, no. Cause girl, you're so special to me, even if you didn't love me. If you didn't love me, I'll still love you. And if you didn't want me, girl, I'd still want you. Whenever the sky is gray, you make.
And of course, you guys, the last step that I'm going to do is make sure that all my hair is straight, because I did want a straight look. So I'm going in with my flat iron and straightening the rest of my hair. And that is about it, you guys. It's a really quick and easy tutorial when it comes to creating fringe full bangs on your lace front wig. So the next thing that we're going to go ahead and get into is the initial review. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look of my lace front straight wig with bangs. Pretty simple way to do a fringe bang without it looking choppy or anything like that. As you guys can see, my bangs flow. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is go ahead and get into the initial review for this wig. As you guys know, I said this wig is from Supernova Hair. This is the first time I actually tried out Supernova's wig. I've always tried out their hair. Their hair is beautiful. I love their Peruvian hair. So this one is, I believe, their Peruvian straight lace front wig in the length 22 inches. It's really long, you guys. I'm not even for sure if it's 22 inches. It might be even longer. Like, you guys can't even see how long it comes. It comes like to my waist. That's how long it is. And I love the fact that this hair is full from the top of the wig all the way down to the ends. I have seen wigs where the straight wigs, they're like super full right up in here, and then when you get down to the ends, they are super skimpy and thin. But these, the ends of this hair is really full. I love this length. I love the fact that the wig is really full. So the quality of the hair, I love the feel of the hair. The hair is very soft. Like I said, this is Peruvian hair. I don't have any issues with the quality. Like I said, it's really soft. The hair is really flowy, as you guys can see. So you guys are wondering, does this hair tangle and shed? Now, with this hair, I do not experience shedding with this hair at all. As far as tangling goes, I do experience like snags here and there, but this hair is straight out of the box. I did not go in and wash this hair yet, so just for me, just kind of experience a little bit of snags. That's pretty good. So the last thing that I want to get into is, does this hair take well to heat? I didn't have any issues with straightening out the wig, and I did actually want to show you guys whether or not the hair does curl. And I'm just going to pretty much use like my flat iron because I don't have my curling iron or curling wand on hand. So I'm just going to take like a small piece, and I actually did it before I recorded, but I'm going to go ahead and show you guys right now. So pretty much I'm going to take this little piece here.
Blue. There's something about the way you do what you do. Whoa. Now girl, it's something, I don't know what you do. Whoa. But girl, it's something and I don't know what you do. Whoa. No, I don't know, no.
Okay, so as you guys can see, this hair takes very well, and you are able to curl this hair very nicely. This is like the little curl that I got just from using my flat iron, but I know if I was to go in with my curling wand, I know I would get a even better curl. So I actually wanted to see like if I was to like brush through the curl with the curl drop or anything like that. This is about it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial / review. If you guys are interested in Supernova's wigs or their hair, you can definitely check out their website. I will leave all the information down below in the description section. Once again, like I said, I do have their Peruvian straight lace front wig. I believe, like I said, it's 150% density, and I think the 22 inch is about like $163. So that's really affordable, you guys. So once again, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.